can't accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. There's a little bit of madness to my method. Many falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to be. When by any means, only thing that makes sense to me, I can make nice or make history. I got that dog in me, yeah, turn me up. Big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, any up. I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah, I'm talking all bite.
Hello traders, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is December 5th, 2025. How you doing, traders? Hopefully you did well in the market. I'm already done. This morning, you know that pre-market bullshit? Yeah, I got myself in that pre-market bullshit again. And never ends. I turn the computer on. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's true. I'm on the treadmill. I'm looking to my left. I see the market move, and I'm like, fuck, here we go. I'm like, no, don't do it, Rich. I'm like, I have to. I can't just sit there and look at it. So I got off the treadmill, started trading. I got back on the treadmill after I took some loot. I got back on. So I got back on the treadmill. I'm still looking to my left and saying, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Because I'm not trading right now, right? I mean, I'm seeing the move, but I'm not actively trading. I'm seeing the move, and I'm like, I can't stand this. And so I turn that screen off, Quant Tower, and then I have my trading view screen up, but I don't trade off my trading view. So I see the move continuing, pull back and stuff like that. I'm like, shit. So I get off the treadmill, have to populate I have to get Quant Tower up and running again, which takes time on a 1 minute time frame. So I'm in the market again, and I'm like, okay, that's enough. So I get back on the treadmill, and I'm looking at the TV and looking at stocks and all this stuff and hearing all the bullshit that they talk about. I laugh. I watch this ticker in the morning, and I hear about, well, you know, I think PE ratio and I think the fundamentals are clear. The stock's on a rocket. I mean, you see it in the chart. It's like, I don't give a shit about your fundamentals. I don't give a shit about what you say. It doesn't matter what we think. Listen, traders, it doesn't matter what we think. You can get on there and talk about how great a company is. I am telling you, I don't care if Elon Musk from Tesla gets on and says that they're going to change some things. I like Elon, by the way, but I'm going to change some things and we might get a little setback, which, disclaimer, it's not going to happen. The stock is not going to follow his words. It's not. The market is not going to follow what he says. It's going to fake people out, and it's going to go in the direction it intends to, traders. I don't know how else to say that. The market is built. It's an algorithm. But if you have a legitimate, great company, right, based on whatever your philosophy is, remember, philosophy doesn't mean shit. Whatever your fundamentals are, that doesn't mean shit. The market and the candles are going to print. And when they print, they mean something. It doesn't matter what your favorite guru says. It doesn't matter about that high or low, or that's why price went up there because of liquidity. It's bullshit. Let's just get into the video. Fuck, you got me started again. This is fucking crazy. Nothing but bullshit out here. Everyone needs a big pair of boots. So much shit flying around. All right, so anyways, on this account, ending in 9103, over here to the left was yesterday's trades. I think it was yesterday's trades. Yeah, all yesterday's trades for about 750 bucks-ish. And then today. So this was pre-market, and here I am on the treadmill, and it's about, what, 6:15-ish, 6:10, and I'm hitting the market, and all of a sudden, you know, I'm like, okay, I'm done. And then I go back, and I hit the market again. Okay, I'm done. I go back, and I hit the market again. Okay, finalized. I'm done. I go and get ready for the day. Go to Starbucks, go get the coffee, go do whatever I'm going to do. I go get coffee. And all of a sudden I come back. I'm not worried about the open. I don't care. I don't have to be here at the open. I can trade instantly when I see the market. I can trade the market. That's what his skill is. His skill is if you can trade the market instantly when you see the chart. Not that you think price is going to go to this high or create a low. That's bullshit. That's called I'm scared. I'm scared. So anyways, look at this great move, right? Beautiful. Wish I had another account to trade. Went south side, pre-market, went long side when the market opened. I'm done, $7.99. So today was what, $830 total. Days I was just in and out of the market. Some of them I wanted to trade a little bit using some small shit in here. I just got to get it out of my system. But what a great move. Great move, great trading today, traders. Great trading going on. So there's going to be a lot of nice moves. A lot of nice moves. Disclaimer, trade at your own risk. There will be a lot of nice moves today. All right, so let's see. And big moves, I gotta tell you, coming up. Some big moves. Okay, we'll stop sharing on that. Here we are in the performance area, 909, the trade P&L, $72 in commissions. I'm starting to like that, you know, when I don't use as much size. Man, I love it. Man, when I use size, they pound the shit out of me. And brokers too. It's crazy. Volume and hit rate, volume and hit rate, volume at a regulated broker. Yeah, you better know what the fuck you're doing. You better know what you're doing if you're hitting that button at a regulated broker, because I get a discount, and still it's crazy. $837 P&L today, 129 trades, 123 winning trades, 95.35% hit rate. Again, 95.35% hit rate. Not bad. 2 scratch trades, 4 losing trades. So 4 losing trades. So I was probably at 100% traders, but I don't want to sit there and say that because you might think I'm bragging. It's not here to brag. It's about showing it's volume and hit rate, volume and hit rate. Your P&L, your fake guru P&L doesn't matter in the market. That's a fact. That's fake. That is fake. All right, here we go. Why do I know it's fake? Because I know how they trade. Okay, I know how they trade. So if they say that they've made $1 million on a moving average crossover, good luck with that. Okay, if they made $1 million trading break of structure, good luck with that. Okay, show all those trades. How many times has somebody came on here and says, I'm going to take $100 to $1 million? All of a sudden they disappear for a while. How about 1,000 to $1 million? How about 10,000 to $1 million? And these are guys that are posting videos. I've taken this. How many times did they try to do something like this, first of all, right? And did they show all of their trades? And then come to find out they get caught trading demos. Then they get caught using offshore brokerages where they have their hands in the back end, and they can basically do whatever they want and change the numbers. Now, this is allegedly, but other people are exposing this stuff. So you got to figure it out. What is this? This is the wrong chart. Okay, here we are on, this is the count ending in 9103. This is 2 days of trading on this account. Yesterday I showed you the trades, and today I showed you the trades on this account. So I'm at $1,650, $106 in commission, which left the account balance at $1,544. All I needed to do is get to $1,500. There is a 50% consistency fee. I took 196 trades on this account. That's executions. It is what it is. You cannot dispute that. It's 196 executions in this account. 175 of them were winners and 20 scragglers. 89.29% hit rate on those 2 days on this account with a $1,500 drawdown. I had basically made 100% on this account and had 196 trades in this account. Size, leverage, and skill. Leverage and skill. What is the limit? What is the limit when you have a skill like I have a skill? What's the limit? Right? If you want to run up an account, that's your gig, and then you want to post that you ran this account up and you're this all-time greatest person in the world, that's how you live, go ahead. But does anyone here think that I can't run up an account with an 89 and 90%, 90% and above hit rate? Come on. I mean, that's just stupidity, right? But that's not who I am as a person. It's not how I live, right? I'm here to teach a skill for life. Showing people money, claiming you got all the money in the world, means nothing. Means nothing. Okay? Trading in a live market. Let me throw a gem out there for you. When you're trading in a live market, as I did in 1999 also, okay? When you're trading in a live market and you say, oh, only if I can make 250 a day, only if I can make 500 a day, only if I can make, 1,000 a day, only if I can make 5,000 a day, only if I can make 15,000 a day. What you realize, and you can't realize it unless you've done it, but once you realize is that it is like paper trading. It is like trading fake. What do I mean by that? It's because you're not realizing those gains. You're not able to touch those at that point in time. It's at the broker. It's like going to the store and always using your debit card, right? And you'll spend, and you'll spend, and you'll spend, and you'll spend. It's the same thing. A live account is the same thing, traders. It's exactly the same thing. Trading a live account, no rules. If you're a scalper, then you need to adjust your scalping, right? Because I get hit sometimes $2,000 in a day, right, with fees, okay? And back in 99, when you were trading, going in, $29.95 and $29.95 going out, what's that, about $6,000 in a month in fees? That's fees, traders, okay? And if you can survive that, you know what the fuck you're doing, right? You know what you're fucking doing in the market. The problem is we don't, I know me personally, but if it's on paper, it's hard to value. You can't touch it, but it's yours. But you can look at it. You can look at it and feel the piece of paper and look at all of it, but you can't feel it. If you can't feel it, it doesn't mean the same. So having a large lump of money in the bank on your funded account, on your other accounts. You don't realize it. I mean, you don't realize the value of it, right? You don't realize it because it's on paper. It's not sitting there on your desk, okay? If it was sitting there on your desk and they said, okay, yeah, you want to go out and buy this rail and you want to buy this dune buggy and all this crap, and it's $100,000, well, someone might just give a debit card or write a check, right? It's a little different than going, okay, you're going to bring $100,000 cash down there, right? It's a big difference. The feeling is different. So don't think that when you get on a test account or a trading account and all this stuff, and I've experienced this since 1999, right? When you're up $7,500 in the day on your funded account, just take it. Just take it, right? It's on paper again, right? They say, oh, it's fake. It's a paper account. It's not fake, right? Your balance in the bank is fake too, okay? Because that could be wiped out in a day, depending on what you do. Everything is fake, right? You don't actually see and feel and value it. How do you value something that's not close to you? Does that make sense? Like, it's hard to explain, but I want you to realize that just because you have a balance like this in the market, right? You have $7.99 and you want more. You just want more, okay? I wish I didn't have $7.99 because I would get more. But you just want more.
Oh,
so I'd be hitting this long,
here we go
right?
again.
And if it came down against me, I hit that son of a bitch long again.
Oh shit.
So, but you just want more. And it's just not enough for you, right? It's not enough for you. And you have to learn to take it. You have to learn to shut the computer down. That doesn't mean stop trading. That means when you get your fix in the market and it's more money than you had yesterday, whatever it is, a market moving like this, I said we were going to have some big moves today and price was down here, right? Price is down here. And I said we were going to have some big moves. This is a big move. Let's see what that is. Oh, I got it right here. 696 ticks. So 696 ticks from where I said price was going to have some big moves. And it went up 696 ticks. Is that enough for you to trade? Right? Is that enough for you to trade? You ought to be able to see the market. If you want to learn how to view the market and see the market, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will teach you how to trade the market each and every day. We will go through the chart. I had another mentorship yesterday. Went through the chart. 5.5 hours mentorship. Going through that chart for 5.5 hours. Okay? Takes me seconds to trade. But I am so detailed in that chart. There's nobody as detailed as I am in that chart. I'm not just telling you that. I bought many, many courses to see what they knew. I've traded. I've talked to many, many traders. I've sat with traders. I used to watch Sam Seiden in the morning, Zoom in the morning. People that know Sam Seiden, but he's a known trader. Worked on the floor too. But all of these traders. So I've surrounded myself with some heavy hitters also, right? So, and they're traders. They trade different styles, right? I may not necessarily agree with them, right? But I understand what they trade. They all have their gig. So, see, I said to take this long, right? So, if we hit that, hypothetical, we're some storytellers around here. That would have been another 21 ticks. Another 21 ticks. So you got in, you stacked it, and 21 ticks. So let's say, so that's 21 ticks, right? 21 ticks to the top of that right there. 22 ticks. So, come on, baby. Going northbound. We're going northbound, traders. We're going northbound. Boom, I'm out. Boom, boom, boom. Big size there. Big size. Go in there deep. Going deep.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
You got 15 deep. Boom.
Oh shit.
I said right here on the video. Going long, baby. Going long. So I'll wait to post this video for a while so you guys don't trade this, right? But anyways.
Oh shit.
We're going long, baby. We're going long. We're going long. Go long. Go long. Look at this.
Oh shit.
I said down here, with this candle here, I was hitting it long. This candle here, I said when it pulls back, we're gonna get in some more. And where are we at right now?
Oh shit.
47 ticks. 47 ticks. 10 points like that. Boom. Man, oh man. Come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I'll hook you up. Trading is that easy. Trading is literally that easy. Okay, if you know what you're doing in the market, it's that easy. Come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com and I will teach you one-on-one. No bullshit here. I will teach you. I'll tell you, forget everything you know. Forget all that bullshit. Forget it. We don't use it. We do not use it. Let me explain this to you. We do not use it. Okay? We don't use it. Throw it away. Hope to see you soon. Have a great weekend. And the last thought, hey, if you want me to post a video on something, if you had a question about something and you want me to do a video on it, if I can do a video on it, but I'm not going to show what we do here at breathingwiththemarkets.com. But say, for example, you had a question and you want to say, hey, does this work? Why do you think this works or not? Basically state the facts that if something doesn't work, and when I say something doesn't work, that means that's gambling, right? Because you'll have people on here saying, well, I'm profitable. So-and-so says that support and resistance doesn't work, but I've made millions of dollars. No, they gambled, traders, okay? They gambled. There's a difference, okay? There's a difference between a skill and gambling. I wish you well. Peace, traders.